To react properly to a fire, it's important to remember these three words. Realize means to try to understand what's going on and understand the situation. Reflect means think about strategies and procedures and look for equipment. React means fight the fire if necessary and possible, depending on the situation and equipment you have available. When you use a fire extinguisher, think of pass. Pull the pin, then aim the nozzle at the base of the fire. Squeeze the handle and sweep nozzle from side to side at a distance of 1 to 2 meters. Note that it is important to check the flow and the pressure in the bottle by looking at the pressure gauge from time to time. Note that a halon extinguisher doesn't permanently remove any of the three factors necessary for fire to take place. Observe the operating instructions attached to the fire extinguisher bottles.